the fourth proportional to 4, 6, 8 is, and these are the options given to us. Now we know that if A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, then D is called the fourth proportional. D is called the fourth proportional. So here 4, 6, 8 are three terms given. Let the fourth proportional is X. So 4 is to 6 should be equal to 6, 8. So 4 is to 6 equals 8 is to X. Now we know that product of extremes should be equal to product of means. Hence 4x should be equal to 6 into 8. This gives us x is equal to 6 into 8 upon 4. Simplifying 4, this comes 2, and hence x equal to 12. So our option A is correct. The fourth proportional is 12. Now see the next problem. Question 2 is the third proportional to 12, 18 is. Options are 24, 27, 36 and none of these. Now we know that if A ratio B is equal to B ratio C, then C is called third proportional. C, though it comes at fourth place, but here B are repeated. B comes here and B also comes here. So C is called the third proportional. Now we have been given terms as 12 and 18. So 12 ratio 18 is equal to 18 ratio say X, where X is our third proportional. Now we know that product of extremes should be equal to product of means, and hence 12x is equal to 18 into 18. X is equal to 18 into 18 upon 12. 6 cancels 12 2 times. 6 cancels 18 3 times. 2 cancels 18 9 times. And x equal to 27. Therefore, the third proportional is option B, 27. Now we will see the next problem. Question number 3 is the mean proportional between 25 and 81 is 40, 50, 45 and none of these. Now we know that if A ratio B is equal to B ratio C, then B is called mean proportional. B is called the mean proportional. Means B square is equal to AC, because product of extremes is AC, product of mean is B square. This gives us B is equal to under root AC. B is equal to under root AC means the terms multiplied, means mean proportional is obtained by multiplying the numbers and taking its square root. So here the numbers given are 25 and 81. So mean proportional will be under root of 25 and 81. The numbers given are 25 and 81. We multiply them and take the under root of it. This will be the mean proportion. Now we know that under root of 25 is 5 and under root of 81 is 9. Therefore, this comes to be 45. Hence the required mean proportional is 45. Option C here is the correct option. Now we will see the next problem. Question number 4 is the number which has the same ratio to 26 that 6 has to 13 is options are 11, 10, 21 and none of these. Now we know that 6 has to 13 ratio is 6 is to 13, and let the number is x which has ratio x is to 26. So the equation we have here is 6 ratio 13 is equal to x ratio 26. This implies that 6 upon 13 is equal to x upon 26, which gives us x equal to 2, because 13 cancels 26 2 times and 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. So x equal to 12. Here option D is correct, none of these. Now we will see the next problem. Next question is the fourth proportional to 2a cube c is, and these are the options given to us. Now we take that the fourth proportional is x. Therefore 2a ratio a cube should be equal to c ratio x. We have taken x as fourth proportional. So x is appearing at fourth place. Now product of extremes should be equal to product of means. Therefore a cube c should be equal to 2ax. 2a into x is the product of extremes. A cube into c, a cube c is the product of means. This gives us x equal to a cube c upon 2a, which is equal to a square c upon 2. Now we note here that none of these is correct. Fourth proportional is a square c upon 2. So our option D here is correct. Now we will see the next problem. Next problem is, if four numbers are 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5 and 1 upon x are in proportion, then x is, options given are like this. Now four numbers are in proportion means 1 upon 2 ratio 1 upon 3 equal to 1 upon 5 ratio 1 upon x. Then these four numbers will be in proportion. So again we apply the proportion rule that product of extremes should be equal to product of means, which means 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x should be equal to 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 5. This means 1 upon 2x should be equal to 1 upon 15, which gives us x equal to 15 upon 2. We cross multiply, x will go on the top of right hand side, and 15 will come here. So value of x is 15 upon 2. Hence our option C is correct. The value of x is 15 upon 2. Now we will see the next problem. Next question is the mean proportional between 12x square and 27y square is, and these are the options given to us. Now we know that if A ratio B is equal to B ratio C, then B square will be equal to AC, and therefore B is equal to under root AC. And here B is called mean proportional. B is called mean proportional. And B is equal to under root AC states that the numbers given should be multiplied and their square root should be taken to find out the mean proportion. So here the numbers are 12x square and 27y square. So accordingly the mean proportional will be under root of 12x square into 27y square. See, 12 into 27. Now, 12 can be written 4 into 3 and 27 can be written 3 into 3 into 3. So, when we take under root of it, then square root of 4 is 2. Then of these two 3's, I am to take 1 3, and again of these two 3's, I am to take 1 3. So the square root will be 2 into 3 into 3, which gives me 18. X square under root will be x and y square under root will be y. So the square root of 12x square into 27y square will be 18xy, which is my option A. Therefore, the mean proportion will be 18xy.